Hi, it's finally time to speak in the vlog. I've been doing this totally silent up until now. So I just took a shower, which was long overdue because I had a workout this morning and then I had pottery and I get filthy in potteries. I thought it'd be fun to vlog a little day in my life today for really no particular reason other than I just felt like it. My everyday schedule does change every single day, so no day is really the same. So as you guys saw this morning, I had a workout and then I went to my pottery class. Pottery is like the one thing that I do in the week that's really just for me. I just do it just to kind of unwind and have fun and just kind of allow my creativity to be free without any expectations. I left pottery early to get to a meeting, and the person that I was meeting with thought we were meeting tomorrow when it was very clear in the text messages that we were meeting today. It's okay, that type of stuff obviously happens, so instead of getting annoyed about it, I just took the time just to have some coffee by myself, and it honestly, I feel like worked out a little bit better because now I have a little bit more time to get my filming done and do some other things that I have to do. So now I'm just trying to get ready to do some of my on-camera work. I am planning on filming a video today along with this vlog that I'm doing. I am also doing a 5 best and 5 worst new products. So I have to do my hair, do my makeup, obviously look put together. I put on this outfit today. I'm honestly really not sure about it. It's a turtleneck and a sweater vest. I'm really like not a sweater vest person, but I'm trying to be and I don't know if it's working. I'll figure it out once I have my makeup on because I feel like everything looks very different once the hair and makeup are done. I also need to get some Paige Doodle things ready for tomorrow because I have a launch happening tomorrow. I'm launching my Sensitive Babe collection, which is a collection of 6 single stickers as well as a tote. I'll show you guys what they look like a little bit later. So right now we're at my office in case that wasn't clear. I'm not at home, and having a shower at my office where I work is the most convenient thing that's ever happened to me. I'm just so happy with this new office space. Like, it's really treating me well. I feel like it's just such a better fit than my other space. So I'm just feeling good in it. And speaking of my office space, I'm actually getting a mirror delivered today too. I think one of the first pieces that I purchased for this space, my interior designers put together a list of everything that I need to buy, and I've kind of been a little bit slow on it, but I made an order for this particular mirror because it was on sale and I didn't want to miss it, and I cannot wait to see it. I really hope it's as cute in person as it was online. Okay, I asked Instagram what they thought of my sweater vest. So far 75% says cute. Before I start filming, I want to take some shots of my new Doodles collection just so I get the most out of this daylight right now. So like I said, I have 6 stickers and a tote, and I already took photos of all the stickers, but I still need to take a photo of my tote. And this is the Sensitive Babe tote, and I'm obsessed with her. She's so cute. I think it would be cute to actually have some shots of me wearing the tote rather than just having the tote lying on the floor. I just feel like that's a little bit cuter. The one bad thing about my office is the fact that the natural light in here just really isn't the absolute best. That's something that my old office did much better. And I do like to use natural light for a lot of my content. So that is something that's a little bit challenging with this space, but I feel like I'm able to make it work. It's just not ideal. Okay, let's film a video. So typically what I do when I have a particular video in mind that I want to film, I like to organize all of my products that I'm going to use in, what is this? In a little bin like this. I'm gonna be doing a 5 best and 5 worst new products. And I have already an idea of what I'm gonna talk about. So I'm just gonna start pulling the products. I have a bunch of new products in this bag over here. Then I have my everyday makeup bag because I have some products in here too that I wanna talk about. Like this. Wait a second, I just completely shifted my video idea because I just came up with, I feel like, an even better idea. So as I was putting in some of my favorite products in this 5 best and 5 worst, I realized that 3 out of the 5 were lip products. And then I was thinking, what if I just did a video featuring some of my current favorite lip formulas? Because right now I have quite a few that I'm really digging that I use all the time. And I think that this is gonna be an even better idea. And I'm gonna include newer formulas as well as older formulas. Yes. Okay, I'm gonna put some of these things in. Oh, I'm so excited. You know, I've been doing this going on 9 years, which is so crazy, like doing YouTube. And so coming up with new and fresh ideas that I've never done before, few and far between, because most of the time I have like certain series that I go off of on my channel. So it's always the same concept, just obviously using different types of products. But when I come up with something that I haven't done in a really long time, it makes me excited. So I'm excited. I was doing my makeup, trying to be so careful not to get foundation on my white turtleneck. And instead I got foundation all over my new jeans. You know what? You know another good thing about this office? It has a washing machine. So I'm taking my pants off and I'm putting them right in the wash machine because I refuse to let this stain. This is very upsetting. My outfit really took a turn. Wearing my leggings for my workout. It's okay. You guys are only gonna see here up in the video anyway. Back to doing my makeup. She's gorgeous. I'm obsessed. Wow, okay, I'm gonna set it up and then I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. This is so cute. It is exactly what I imagined. Wow, it's really fun. Okay, so here's my new mirror for my office. I kind of want to set it up so that you can see it in the background of my videos, but it's just this really fun wave pink mirror. My interior designers and I, M Studio Design, figured that since this is a creative space, we might as well have some fun with the furniture, and this is so fun. Quality of the mirror feels pretty good too. Yeah, I'm happy. So I've been filming for the last like 45 minutes or so, but my battery died on my camera, and unfortunately my extra battery wasn't fully plugged into my charger. So you know what that means? The battery wasn't charged. So I have to wait until my battery juices up a little bit until I can start filming again. So I'm taking a little bit of a break, but it's perfect timing because I have a package here for Jamie Paige Doodle. So these guys are my new thank you cards. I'm so excited to see what they look like. Before I open these up, first of all, I really hope that they're gonna be okay because I've been having so many issues with this collection. I've had to basically change my plan for this entire collection like 3 different times because everything that I keep getting in has problems with it. So I had to redo my bookmark that I was planning on launching, also my sticker sheets that I was planning on launching. So I'm putting those in a completely separate launch. So I'm just hoping that these are good. So in every order, I send out a thank you card and I also send out a freebie. And the freebie is typically a single sticker. And I was trying to think of a way to kind of merge the thank you card and the freebie together to make something that's a little bit less wasteful, because a lot of people obviously don't keep thank you cards. Some people do, but I feel like most people don't. So I had this idea to merge a bookmark and a thank you card together to create a thank you card that can be used as a bookmark. And so now the freebie is connected to the thank you card because every person will get a bookmark. So I had this whole concept in mind. Let's see if it actually is gonna work out. Let's open this up. Yeah, they're so cute. Oh my God, yay. It worked out. Yay. I just had to make sure that all of my spelling was correct over here because I had, for some reason, a little bit of a heart attack thinking that it wasn't. This entire portion over here is the bookmark, and then you have the little message and the thank you card over here. So I have a little space over here to write each individual's name. So there's a dotted line over here, you cut that off, and then this little part is a nice mini bookmark. And here's what the other side looks like. You have my logo on the bottom of the bookmark and a little handwritten hi in a heart. Just thought it was a cute little addition. This is very thick cardstock. I don't know if you can tell how thick it actually is. I'm actually pretty sure this is the same paper that's used for my actual bookmark. So let's cut here and see what it looks like. And then you could also keep this if you want or throw it away. Love. I am just so happy that this worked out. I was really nervous that it wouldn't. I am launching tomorrow and I literally have no more freebies and no more thank you cards in stock right now. So a lot was resting on these and I'm happy that everything is exactly as it should. So while I'm here waiting for my battery to charge, I might as well show you guys the stickers that are going to be in this collection. By the way, if you do want to be updated with any of my Jamie Paige Doodles launches, feel free to follow me on Instagram at Jamie Paige Doodles. So first things first, we've got Happy Mist. It is a mist bottle with smiley faces inside. And then the mist are little sparkles that also have smiley faces on them. And then on the bottle, it says Happy Mist spray for a great day. How cute. Then we have my little sensitive peach and sensitive flower. I feel like I've been called a sensitive peach so many times in my life, also a sensitive flower. So I thought I would play off of that and make a sensitive peach and a sensitive flower. They're both crying gentle tears and then it says sensitive all around it. And they're just so sweet. And then we have a little sensitive babe sticker as well. This next sticker was very highly requested from my community. A lot of people wanted to see some type of emotional support water bottle sticker. So I made this little guy. It's really simple, but it says my emotional support water bottle. And this is also a transparent sticker, so there's no white background. And this is to put on your emotional support water bottle that you carry around with you always. And then I also have this little bouquet of flowers, which is just really simple and sweet as well. It's kind of supposed to be like a bouquet of flowers for me to me. This whole idea, that's the name of the sticker. I'm just so excited. I think I'm most excited about this bookmark thank you card. It's amazing. Is Mercury in retrograde? Like, what's going on? I told you guys before that like so many things have been going wrong over the last little bit. So I just went in to go import my video and everything looks great, but the last clip that I recorded, which is 17 minutes long, this is what the audio sounds like. I get it. It's definitely a look, but I really like it. What the fuck? Obviously my microphone wasn't plugged in or something. I don't know what happened there. When things like this happen, because they do happen, I really need to force myself not to get in a, ugh, why me mindset, because it completely ruins my flow and I just need to get my shit together and get it done. I'm going to figure out what were the last products that I spoke about here and then I'm just gonna have to refilm it. I am annoyed though, I'm not gonna lie. Thankfully it was only 4 products, so I could do that pretty quickly. I just ordered food, so my motivation is I'm going to finish filming this and then I'm going to eat. Let's go film. My mic was not plugged in properly. Hello, so I have not vlogged anything over the last couple of hours. It's close to 9 p.m. I've been editing the video you're actually watching right now. So the rest of my night is pretty much just going to look like this, really nothing too exciting. So I think that's where I'm gonna be ending today's day in my life because my day is pretty much done. I hope that you guys enjoyed seeing this. Let me know in the comments if you want to see more of these and hit a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.